So this is where the magic happens, and I'll just take you through here. Basically, the little May the 4th video there, little Star Wars one for you all. You making tea? Tea? Yeah. Cup of tea? Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah, nice bit of tea. Right, there's my darling wife. So, May the 4th be with you and all that. I did this quite a few years ago, because you can probably tell my crazy haircut. But I've sort of never done anything with the footage, so, and it's not the complete time lapse, I'm sorry, but it took like 8 or 9 hours to carve into the slab. But here it is, here it is. How do I do that? Right, lock. So me and my son, we do love a bit of Lego, and we thought, well, let's have a Lego Stormtrooper in our patio. That's what we thought. So that's what we did. So it's here. And yeah, so I built this patio. Built the extension here. And I thought, oh, come on, how often do you put a Stormtrooper in a patio? You know, everyone loves a Stormtrooper. And we were quite into Lego Star Wars at the time. Well, we still are a bit, you know. But anyway, so you know, that's the end of that. That was it. Right, okay, so obviously haven't done a video for a while because I snuck away to Spain just for a quick, you know, bit of paragliding. You might have seen that video that I made for me, my buddy there out in Spain. And when I got back, look at the garden. Look at, well, you know, apart from this tree, which I'm gutted about. I bought my dad that for Father's Day. I was trying to bring it back to life. It's dead. Anyway. Magnolia, love this contorted hazel, and these maples. I really got a thing for the Japanese maples. More contorted hazel. They were like little sticks, like just that when I put them in. And this one's my favourite. I mean, check that out. Look at that for a tree. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. The stem on it and everything. And there we go. But whilst I was away, I did score mega brownie points because I got my lads to finish this patio. It's only taken me 2 years, you know. So they just whipped that up for me, which I'm really pleased with. Yeah, so I got my little got my little patio here, and then the shed and everything. Oh man, I'm a lucky man. I'm a lucky man. I live in the countryside, and I got great neighbours. I mean, they're great. This side great, this side great, all the way down. Great neighbours, you know, what more do you want in life? And the yard, you've probably seen my yard. Well, you can see the trees. That's the yard behind those big conifers, where all the magic happens, the milling magic. Anyway, I've waffled on well too long. I'm going to get back on the videos this week, ASAP, and get some mega milling videos in. All right, there's.